In the future, take pleasure in off-road adventures with the 2026 Hummer Motorhome. This mobile fortress, which is based on the well-liked Hummer EV, is more than simply an RV. Large all-terrain tires, a chassis that can be changed for ground clearance, and a military-inspired appearance are all part of its durable, long-lasting exterior design. This beast's tri-motor electric engine, which generates over 1,000 horsepower and an amazing amount of torque, provides its nearly quiet yet unstoppable power. The electric drivetrain in this RV is designed to provide outstanding off-road capability and eco-friendly mobility. The big battery pack and integrated solar panels allow you to stay off the grid for extended periods of time without sacrificing performance. The cockpit of the Hummer Motorhome resembles a futuristic command center more than a typical leisure vehicle. The dashboard is dominated by large, high-resolution digital panels controlled by an advanced artificial intelligence system. A single touchscreen controls every aspect of the RV, including climate control, lighting, off-road capabilities, and driving modes. Important information that is readily displayed on the driver's display includes range, battery life, and a live feed from the array of external cameras. Every journey is enjoyable and productive because of the straightforward design and cozy, well-made seats. The inside is a masterful combination of luxurious style and robust construction. The spacious living room's modular furniture can be moved around to provide areas for dining, working, or just relaxing. The materials are a blend of advanced composites and premium, long-lasting fabrics. The camper appears considerably larger than it is because of the enormous windows and panoramic sunroof that bring in an abundance of natural light. Managing your environment is made easy with AI-powered voice commands and smart home features. When it's time to go to sleep, the bedroom offers a calm and comfortable sanctuary. The main feature is a queen-sized Murphy bed that gracefully folds into the wall when not in use to create more living space throughout the day. The bed itself was really robust and had beautiful covers. A single button push may reveal a hidden television, and ambient lighting can be adjusted to create the perfect tranquil setting. The bathroom is shockingly spacious and modern for an RV. It has a rainfall shower with a high-pressure water system and a smart toilet with built-in bidet features. The vanity and sink area is well lit and has ample storage, and the materials are easy to clean and built to last the rigors of travel. One of the best examples of thoughtful small space design is the kitchen. Included are high-end, energy-efficient gadgets including an induction burner, microwave, and refrigerator. Even while traveling over uneven terrain, the cabinetry's intelligently designed storage solutions allow you to safely keep everything you need, and fold-away extensions maximize the countertop space. Thanks to an integrated water filtration system, you will always have access to safe drinking water wherever you go.